As you can see, I'm taking canvas sheet and I have ball chain and stone chain, you can see, and the kundan square shape. First I stick my square shape kundan, then I stick stone chain around that, then I stick ball chain. You can see here I'm using fabric glue and a scissor, and then very small size of kundans here I'm sticking here. So you can draw, you can design any pattern you like. I like this one because I don't want to go with the very common design, so I'm just mixing and match with my pearls and kundans. So I'm going to make a patch. I have to make two patch for the stud base. First I will make two patches, then I'll show you how to stick and all that. When it will be completed, my design, like if I want bigger, so I can draw, I can stick my stones more, and we don't have to touch until it will be completely dry. So we will leave it for like for 2 hours or something, so that it can dry properly. After that we need to cut along like edges, and then we'll go with the next procedure. Here you can see my square stud base is ready to cut. You can see I have made 2 of them. Then I need to cut it because it's already very dry, so I can cut it now. You can see you need to cut sharp from the edges. You can see the edges, it's very neat and clean. You can't see anything else like white part. So this is how we need to cut our stud. So it's not the studs basically, but it's one sheet. Then I need to keep here again, I need to mark, because that side we need to put our stud base, you know, metal stud base. Then we'll put here and stick that paper, another paper with the glue here, fabric glue, and then it would be ready. But before that, if I wanted to hang something down like pearls or anything, then we need to put eye pins here. For that I'll show you now. Now you can see I have already cut the same size of paper. You can see for that also, because we need to stick here with the stud base so that it would be strong enough. So we will use here fabric glue for both of our studs. Here you can see on the back side of our stud, that piece, I just cut it out my eye pins with the plier and I stick with the fabric glue. And here the other sheet of paper I put, you can see this metal stud base in the plain sheet of paper, and I just break and I put glue all over here, and I'm going to put here and I will stick. You can see I need to just press, I need to stick like this and just leave it like that until it will be completely cool, and then our stud base is completely ready when it will be dry. Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you this pretty beautiful hanging. You can see on my hand, this hanging we are going to show you how to make this one. And we have surprise for you today, because we are going to show you how to make side chain also, like this beautiful colorful side chain. So first you need to just subscribe my channel first, then I'll just show you the material we need to make this pretty earring at home. For this earring we need material. First, fabric glue, jhumka base caps, which is these are in a plastic, and beads, base beads, silk thread, whatever you want, like it's up to you which color you want. So I'm just showing you for the sample, like and there is a stone chain. You can see stone chain and ball chain, simple golden chain, jump ring, and this is a base, back base for the studs and studs also. And there is a, you can see the white small pearls. This is called L'Oreal pearls beads, and this is bead caps. You can use any bead caps, any design. Here I'm using this one. So, and one small plier, eye pins. You can see this is eye pin, one side these are closed. So these are the material we require for making this beautiful hangings. So let's get started. Now you can see I have jhumka base caps which have already wrapped with thread, any thread you can use in this, and I have just put a glue on the top side, and I've put that our caps. So whatever caps you have, you can just paste it with the fabric glue. So after that, you can see I have this this many. So next process is, you can see I'm taking eye pin. So I need to take, for the bottom part you can use anything. If you have beads or something, I'm using this bead so that it doesn't come out. So I'm putting inside, you can see here, and here is it is eye pin. So it's very long, so I'm just cutting little part of that. You can see I just cut it little. Now I need to just bend it like this, because in side chain we are going to hang this, so we need to make a loop so that we can put inside the chain. So this is how I have made, you can see, in different colors like this. So these are the things for the side chain. And here we have, I have shown you, I have base beads which we have wrapped with the colored thread, as I have already shown you my previous video how to wrap that thing, so you can just watch that video. So just lack of time, I'm just showing you like that. And you can see the portion of this side, the opening side, both side, I put this cap, bead caps, both side I just stick with the fabric glue. So like this, you can see I am here I'm using 4 colors, and same like jhumka base I just showed you, we need to take an eye pin, and from one side we need to put to the another side like this. Now I'm going to just bend this, but I'm not closing it fully because we need to put inside the chain portion. So here I'm showing you, this is our base set which I have already shown you. So this is kind of, you can see I have made here 4 loops, 1 2 3 4. So here I have to put these beads, we need to hang it. So in first side we are going to hang just like, you can see I'm just putting like this, I have just put, and now we need to close it, we need to close so that it doesn't come out. For the next I am going to use a small part of chain. Here I am showing you, I cut it, this piece of chain small, and then another one is little bigger and another is little bigger. So what I have to do, we need to take a one side of the chain, and you can see we have just leave open this portion, so we are going to put inside, and we need to just close this shape. After that you can see one side is ready, so we need to put here, and this is kind of, we need to hang. So for the first thing we don't need to add the chain because we need, I just hang like that. For another I'll take little small and then for another little long, and the last one will be very long. So I'm just I am going to cut the chain. You can see I have chain. I will cut this according my size. So you can see I have hand here. First without any chain, second thing little bigger, and then third one is bigger than the second one, and the last one it's longer, very longer. So this is how you can make the way you want, any size, any color, any, it's up to you, and it's looking very pretty here hanging. You can see here, so it's very beautiful hanging. So this is how we can make hangings at home. So this was the hanging only. Now I'm going to show you how we have to make the side chain for that. For that I am going to show you. I have cut 3 different size of chain. This is the longer part, and then this is the middle one, and this one is the smaller. So here you can see it. This should be different sizes, otherwise that curve for the side chain won't come. So you can see I have taken 3 sizes of length. Whenever you are cutting your side chain, make sure you are cutting 2 for the 2 pairs. Otherwise it will be difficult for you to take the same length and all that. So this is how we are going to size the chains. And after that, what I'm going to do, you have seen I have made this caps ready. You can see. So what I'm going to do, going to put in the hole of the chain one by one all our jhumka base. This is for the last line only, and for the middle and the topper one, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use jump rings and the L'Oreals which I have shown you. So what I have to do, I'm going to open the side of my jump ring, and I'm going to put this L'Oreal. It's up to you. You can take 2 or 3 or 4 for any length. So I just opened one portion, and I'm going to put in the middle of the chain, and I need to just close this. So I just closed one. So this is how you need to put in equal distance for the first and the second chain, and third chain we need to hang this jhumkas. Okay, now you must be thinking like I haven't told you for the end portion. For end portion, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take another jump ring to put all the end portion inside one jump ring with very careful. So you can see I have put jump ring. So this is how you can put 2-3 jump rings, and after that, you know, the loop for the earring you can hang, and similarly you have to put jump ring this side also. So I have already attached this thing. So you can see here, this is my last layer. You can see it's looking so beautiful and colorful. You can even use same color, that's not the problem. Here you can see I have put jump ring, and then this loop of for the hanging, for putting in the hairs. It will be easy if we have anything loop, and this side will go, you can see, in the back of our jhumka. So it will something like this, but it's not ready yet. So this is only one layer we have attached, and now I'm going to attach second layer and the third layer also. So now you can see I have hanged all the 3 layers. And here our pretty side chain is ready. You can see, so pretty. And this is how we can make our side chain. And you can put one side inside here, something like this, and you can just see it's looking so pretty. I'm sure if you're going to wear this, everybody will ask you, and if you'll tell them that you have made this, they will appreciate you definitely. So friends, keep watching my videos and do like and share and subscribe, please. And I'm going to show you many videos, like many creative videos. And thank you so much.